Where is my foam brush? Who has my foam brush? Does anyone? You put my paintbrush in Jell-O again, Chrissy? You know, the first time was funny, but the second time, it's just rude.
There was an incident earlier in which Chrissy put my foam brush in the Jell-O.
Again, Chrissy.
I don't see any proof. I just saw Jell-O. I'm Chrissy. I'm the co-designer of the mural.
My name is Luisa, and I am the assistant to the co-designer. Not that I should be.
I'm Professor Brooks Scott. I was transferred from Scranton, where I was involved in paper, and now I'm teaching a mural workshop class here at Adelphi University.
I honestly wouldn't care if I failed this class and got kicked out of the mural project. I never really wanted to be a muralist anyway. But every little girl's dream is to be a receptionist at a big paper company.
You know, working on the mural, it's been a lot. It's been a lot of work, a lot of painting, a lot of paint. A lot of buying paint, a lot more buying paint, paint on your clothes, paint on your shoes, paint in your hair, paint in your eye, a lot of paint.
So basically, color theory is a scam created by Big Paint to be able to buy more mixes for more paint, more money. Big Paint is profiting, none of us are profiting. The students are tired. We're done.
Some people say they've never had a class like mine, that I'm the best professor. I think this says it all. I got this on eBay. I think something cool might be nice to balance it.
This class was okay. We mixed a lot of paint.
I thought it was weird when you guys picked us to be the focus of this documentary. But I guess there is something really beautiful about an ordinary art class at Adelphi University painting a mural together.